Hi friends, welcome back to Smile Nursing tutorial. Today we are going to see the necessary equipment and procedure of the insertion of IV line. First, we need some equipment that are sterile cotton, iodine, IV cannula, NS, gloves and splints or tourniquet, blood sample bottles. Next, coming to the procedure, first we have to identify the site of insertion. After that, we have to apply tourniquet proximal to the vein and wash hands and should wear the gloves. Clean the site with alcohol and wait for 30 seconds. After that, we have to apply Pavadin solution. Next, we have to remove the Pavadin solution by using alcohol, and that should be allowed to air dry for 30 seconds. After that, we have to insert IV cannula into the vein with 50-degree angle. When blood is seen, cannula should be withdraw the stellate. We have to flush with 2 ml of normal saline to check for flow of the fluid. Next, connect IV fluids or put in stopper. Secure cannula with adhesive tape. After that, these should be disposed safely. Stellate should be placed in puncture-proof container. Plastic waste should be keep in red bin. Thank you for watching this video. Next, we will meet with another video.